date: January 2026. Price: 4,500 Saudi riyals. Design: ultra-slim body, about 5.5mm thickness, sleeker than most flagships. Display: 6.7-inch AMOLED, 120Hz refresh rate. Processor: Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2. RAM and storage: around 12GB RAM with 256GB. Cameras: rear camera, 200MP main plus secondary ultra-wide sensor. Front camera, 32MP. Battery: 4,400 mAh with fast charging support. Other features: Qi 2 wireless charging with built-in magnets. Redesigned horizontal camera module. In-display fingerprint scanner. Android 16, likely at launch. Summary: Samsung Galaxy S26 Edge is expected to launch in January 2026 with a 6.7-inch AMOLED 120Hz display, Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2, 200MP main camera, 12GB RAM, and a 4,200 mAh battery. The price in Saudi Arabia is expected around SAR 4,500 to 5,000. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for the latest Samsung news and leaks.